In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a draw.io diagram in Confluence. If you're familiar with the Confluence platform, you know just how powerful it can be for team collaboration and documentation. Integrating draw.io for diagram creation makes it even better, allowing you to visually represent processes, systems, and ideas with ease. To get started, you first need to navigate to the Confluence page where you'd like to add or edit your draw.io diagram. Once you're on the correct page, begin by typing draw.io in the search or command bar. This is an efficient way to access the integration quickly without having to navigate through multiple menus. Next, you'll want to click on the draw.io diagram option that appears. This will open up the interface, allowing you to choose from a variety of existing templates. These templates are designed to make your work simpler and faster, giving you a solid starting point for whatever diagram you're creating, whether it's a flowchart, network diagram, or something else entirely. After deciding on the right template for your needs, click on the Create button. This will generate a new diagram based on your chosen template and open up the draw.io editor, where you can customize it to fit your specific objectives. Here, you can add shapes, text, and connectors, adjust colors and styles, and generally mold the diagram to perfectly represent your concepts. Once you're satisfied with your diagram, click Publish to save it to your Confluence page. Now, your visual aid is ready to be shared with your team, facilitating clearer communication and engagement. If you later decide you need to make changes, it's quite straightforward. Just click on the edit icon located just below the draw.io diagram. This takes you back into the editor where you have full flexibility to modify the content of your diagram. You can tweak, adjust, and rearrange any aspect to reflect new ideas or corrections. And finally, once you've made your edits, remember to click Publish again to update the diagram on your Confluence page. This ensures everyone is always looking at the most current version, minimizing confusion and maximizing productivity. By integrating draw.io with Confluence, you streamline both documentation and diagram creation, enhancing collaboration and understanding within your team. I hope this guide has made it clearer how to utilize these tools together and given you the confidence to start creating dynamic diagrams in your own Confluence workspace. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming!